Hi everyone, I'm Indu and today I will guide you through a balancing yoga sequence for beginners. Balancing poses are very helpful, very good for relieving the stress, reducing inattention and improving your focus, concentration and memory. So if you're struggling with finding focus in your work and studies, this sequence might be very helpful for you. So when you're ready, jump onto your mat and let's get started. Okay guys, come onto your mat. You can stand on the top of your mat or in the middle. I will turn so you can see me. Feel free to close your eyes and just ground yourself. Feel the ground, feel your mat. Taking a few deep breaths to settle in. Notice how's your mind, how's your body today. Maybe you had a busy day or you're just starting. And then feel free to keep your eyes closed or open your eyes. I'm going to shift your weight from side to side, just on the edges of your feet. Finding your center of gravity. Then shift the weight to the front, to the balls of your feet, and then back to your heels. Maybe moving into circles. And then slowly coming back to the center. You can press into your feet. Feel grounded, stable. Starting with inhales, lift your arms up towards the ceiling, looking up, making big circles with your shoulders, with your arms. And again, inhale, warming up your neck. And then other way around, inhale. Exhale down, chin in. Inhale. And exhale. Opening your arms to shoulder level. And on inhale, open up your chest, open up your palms facing the ceiling. Exhale, round your spine, belly drawing in. And turning your palms. Inhale up. Exhale. You can gently bend your knees. So once again, inhale up and exhale. Bringing your arms down, give them a little shake if you feel any tension. Inhale, come up. Looking up towards the ceiling and towards the sky. Exhale into a twist, look over your shoulders. So warming up your spine. Inhale, exhale, warming up your neck, looking over your shoulder, other side. Once again, both sides. Inhale, exhale. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale into a twist. Inhale, come up. And exhale down. Take a deep breath. Inhale, bring your arms in front of you. Exhale, come down. Now coming into first balancing position. On inhale, come on top of your soles, the balls of your feet, bringing your arms up. And then on exhale, slowly bringing your heels and your arms down together. Slowly inhale. And exhale. Once again. Balancing positions are demanding your full wakeful attention. And this time as you exhale, bend your knees, coming down into a chair pose and then all the way down to the ground. If it's too challenging, feel free to bring your heels all the way down to your mat and give yourself a little hug. Chin can come in. Otherwise, staying on the balls of your feet. We're going to come back up. Inhaling, press into your feet. All the way up. And exhale slowly, heels and arms down, same time. Do it once again. Exhale, slowly, slowly coming down. Inhale. And exhale. Come down. When you're ready, come to the top of your mat, if you're not already there. Inhale again, arms up. And then exhale, slowly come down into a forward fold. So bringing your belly close to your thighs, feel free to gently bend your knees, relax your shoulders, your head, your neck. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to your shins or your knees or your thighs, long neck. Exhale, palms down to the ground, step back into your down dog. Feel free to walk your dog, move your body any way to warm up. If it's your first time doing the down dog, you can drop your knees down, placing your hands underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips. Inhale here. On exhale, push your hips back towards your heels and then up to the ceiling. Then shift your weight from one foot to the other. And stepping to the front of your mat with your right leg. So again, feel free to drop your knees down, step to the front with your right. Inhale here, all the way up. Exhale down to the ground. Press into your palms, tuck your toes, lift your back leg up, your knee. Inhale. Exhale. Pressing into your left palm, inhale, right arm up. And exhale down. Step back into your down dog. When you're ready, left leg to the front, drop your knee down. Inhale, arms up towards the ceiling. Your right hip sinking down. Exhale, down to the mat. Tuck your toes, lift your right knee up. Exhale here. Pressing into your right palm, lift your left arm up. And exhale. Step back into your down dog. Drop your knees down, inhale. On exhale, coming all the way down to the ground. So bring your elbows in, chin, chest. Coming down to the ground, keeping your hands where they are. Inhale, lift up into cobra. Your shoulders away from your ears. Exhale. Inhale into tabletop position. You can tuck your toes. Exhale into down dog. Staying here for 3 breaths. And when you're ready, drop your knees down. Coming into another balance position. So Chakravakasana, bring your right arm and your left leg up. Parallel with the floor. And from here, bring your right palm back down, press into your mat. Turning your left hip, opening your hip, bring your left arm to your hip or opening up towards the ceiling. You can look up towards the ceiling, or if it doesn't feel comfortable, look down. If this is not very challenging for you, you can try even to lift your left leg up. A little bit more balance and breathe. When you're ready, slowly bring your knee down, and with your left arm, inhale, up, Exhale, thread through the needle, coming all the way down to the ground, bringing your right arm up above your head. Take another breath here. And right hand back. Press into your mat. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, down. Notice how your wrist, if you need to make a few circles, releasing any tension. And we're gonna move to the other side. Left arm and right leg come up into Chakravakasana. Find your balance. Breathe. And when you're ready, left palm comes down, opening up your right hip. Place your right hand onto your hip or up facing the ceiling. Feel free to move your leg a little bit back if you need to. Help you find your balance, and remember, you can try to lift your right leg up. Another deep breath. And your knee comes slowly down. Inhale here. Exhale, thread through the needle. Left arm comes above your head. One more breath. Left palm comes close to your head. Press into your palm. Lift up. Inhale. And exhale. Coming back to tabletop position. Let's inhale here. Tuck your toes. Exhale into your down dog. Inhale, move into a plank. Your body is parallel with the floor. All the muscles engaged. Drop your knees down. Inhale. Exhale, elbows in, chin, chest. Come all the way down to the ground. Inhale into cobra. And then exhale, pushing into your palms, moving in back into your child's pose. Take another deep breath here. When you're ready, inhale. Tabletop position. Exhale. Down dog. Walk or step to the front of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Pressing into your feet. Inhale to come all the way up. Exhale. Palms to your chest. Take a moment to center. And then shift your weight to your right leg, lifting your left leg up, just extending your leg. Bend your knee and place your left leg, left foot close to your knee, on the inside of your knee, without putting much pressure, so just touching it. Breathe. If it's easier, you can always bring your hands to your hips. Extend your leg again. Lift your leg a little bit higher. And release down. Give your legs a little shake. And come to the other side. So pressing into your left foot, shift the weight, find your balance, lifting your right leg up. You can stay like this for 15-20 minutes. Challenge yourself. And then bend your knee, placing your foot next to your knee, again without putting any pressure on your knee. Just touching it. Let's take another breath. And extend your leg. Lift your leg a little bit higher and release. Give your legs, maybe your arms, a little shake. Bring your palms together and close your eyes. Take another deep breath. Finding your center. Feeling balanced, stable, grounded. And slowly opening your eyes. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope you feel a little bit better, a little bit more focused, and I hope to see you soon. Namaste.